Guys, welcome to my channel. I leave for Mexico tomorrow morning and I was thinking to take you with me while I'm packing my stuff. I'm currently on the floor for that reason because I have stuff all over. I thought it would be a fun video. It will be a week-long trip. We have a condo right by the beach. It's a very nice condo. I cannot wait to be there. Because my last vacation was a while ago, I'm just super excited. I cannot wait to be by the beach with a cocktail. And another reason that I'm so excited is that we are traveling with a car, which allows me to bring whatever I want to. And if you see me overpacking, that's the reason why. It's just because I can. If I'm on a plane, I would probably downsize. But since it's a road trip, I'm super excited. Let's start. Well, here are the shoes that I'm gonna bring with me. They're kind of neutral and I'm taking my Vans. I will probably, just in case if we're gonna like walk or do some fun activity, I want to have like an option of sneakers, and that's what I'm gonna bring. The clothes laid flat on the bed. A little messy, looks messy, but that way I can see everything and I know what's in front of me. I'm taking those biker shorts just for any activities. A sports bra just if I wanna I don't know if I'm gonna work out. There will be a gym. Most likely I won't work out, but just taking one outfit to do activities, work out if I'm gonna go do yoga or something. I'm taking a long sleeve crop top, kind of like a sweater crop top. And the weather will be pretty nice, but you never know if it gets like chilly. Beige color, which is also like cropped sweater, hoodie. They are perfect for the beach if you like chill until late nights, or we can be at the, we'll have a nice balcony that we will spend a lot of nights over there. So very simple black dress for like the beach or the day. I'm taking the romper, neutral color. Neutral like long pants. When I'm at the beach I live in denim shorts, so gotta have few of those. I'm taking a dark wash and a very light wash Levi's and another like classic wash Levi's. A cover up tunic, and this is just a huge giant scarf that I can use as a cover up. Some like basic crop tops that will go with the jeans, and then this is like a sweater, also cover up if it's a little chillier. And white is a great color for the beach. It goes with anything. And then I'm gonna pack my pajamas. I'm taking another cover up. It's nice if the sun is like really strong and if you don't want to burn, just throw one of those like this is my favorite L-Space wrap-up top. It's black. Always take it with me. It covers nicely. Doesn't have all my other swimsuits that I'm bringing with me. This is the bright red snake print. I love it. It's a high leg. Comfortable, and I don't care to ruin it. I wear it with this bottoms that is so I have few L-Space bottoms that go with my other L-Space top. Those are also like the few hats for the beach, and then I will just like, you just store it upside down like this in between the clothes and fill it up with something. Like I'm gonna put my swimsuits in it, so that way the hat will stay like this flat, and after I put more clothes it won't be ruined. I have my t-shirts all folded here, just a lot of crop tops and t-shirts, and shorts I will just wear to the beach. 2 beach towels, my underwear, that's all like in this bag, and socks and stuff like this, and this will be closed. A lot of scarves that I can wear as headbands, and those are like silk scarves. They'll be really versatile headbands. I can do like a ponytail and wrap them around. This is a Valentino one that will go with a lot of things since it's kind of nude and black. And this one, I just bought this one. I can show you, if you're interested, I can show you how, like, many ways you can wear those silk scarves. And I'm very excited to wear them at the beach and like have a cute hair without like trying really hard. And they're a very good quality and I don't want to ruin them. I'll just fold them and put them in a separate Ziploc bag. And I happen to have this bag from Zafo that my swimsuit came in. Just like, I will just reuse it here, so I'll just stick it on in the side. I'm taking this bag with me. It's a bag for your swimsuit. It's lined, so if you have your wet swimsuit, you can just put it in here if you want to change. So that's coming with me. And this is the... Here I will start packing my face stuff. And I will start by the way I apply it. First thing I'm taking is this micellar mousse. It's very gentle and removes all my makeup. I won't be wearing a lot of makeup, so anyway, but I need one of those. I'll put this here. Then I will have my cleansing foam. I do this in the shower. And while in the shower, might decide to do a mask. In shower refreshing mask. It's very convenient for travel since it just like you do it while in the shower for like as long as your shower lasts, and it makes your skin really fresh and soft. And I won't be having time to bother with like real masks, but you never know, like while being in the sun my skin might get dry and irritated, so it's nice to have something. Next thing I'm taking is this travel bottle that I put witch hazel with few drops of tea tree oil, and I always use this as a toner, cotton pads and Q-tips right here. Then I'm taking a facial cream, and I'll be using this probably at night since during the day I will be out in the sun, and I will apply sunscreen, and this is a super really lightweight, and it doesn't interfere with your makeup. An eye cream, it's also a mask, so if you apply a thick layer at night it really moisturizes the under eyes. And in here with the face products I will put some eye drops because my eyes tend to get really red. And that's it. I'll just zip this bag up. Next thing I will pack is hair stuff, so I'm just gonna put everything in this bag. I'm taking shampoo. It's Defense Conditioner by Shea Moisture, Butter by Shea Moisture. Since I'm going with a car, I don't really care to downsize, otherwise I can like put those in travel size bottles, but I'm just gonna take the whole thing. And my hair gets really frizzy when I'm in humid places, so that's a big problem. I don't know how I'm gonna deal with my hair. Thermal replenishment spray. And also I'm taking a hair oil. It's by Fito, and it's just in this travel size bottle that I refill. Mousse Flawless Curls, because my hair might be like on the wavy side. You never know, my hair changes all the time. So for my hair products, I'll just put them on the side. And then I'm going to body products. I have another one of those same bags. Rio Cucumber Moisture Soothing Gel. Using body lotion that smells really good. Just for extra moisture if I need it. Alright. Sunscreens. I like to have extra sunscreen when I go on beach vacations. I'm taking this. Another Supergoop SPF 50 sunscreen mousse. This Hawaiian Tropic. It's one of my favorite sunscreens, and so we have body, hair, and face all packed in here. All my like body stuff, my face stuff. This is hair stuff, and then I will put the last thing is my face stuff. My body, my face stuff, and my hair stuff in this giant bag, and I will just set it on the side. Also pack my fragrances. I'm taking this Victoria's Secret Sunkissed body spray. It smells like beach. And then this Escada perfume. That's also like really nice and fresh for the beach. And I'm gonna put them in this bag. And this will go again in that big bag with all the toiletries and body stuff. I'm taking my hair dryer. It's a tea tree hair dryer. I need to tame my frizzy hair, and I have to blow dry it with my own dryer. And just a hair brush. And now we are going to makeup. I will not bring a lot of makeup since I will be at the beach for the most part. I'm bringing some BB creams, 2 colors of BB creams. That's what I'm gonna wear most of the time. And just in case, if I need a little more coverage, I will take this MAC Face and Body Foundation, which is super light and it's water-based and waterproofed. I'm taking a powder and under eye powder to set up my under eyes. I'm bringing a concealer, under eye concealer, and a BB eye brightener with an SPF 20 by Boscia. I'm just taking this stick. It's a really dark bronzer. One is the Chocolate Soleil, and this is a Victoria's Secret bronzer. Taking my eyebrow gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills, since it's waterproof as well. And I also apply brow gel just to set up my brows. Liquid illuminator, that's like a decent size. I can apply this on my face, on my body if I want to be a little bit more glowy in the evening. And also another like that's another illuminator highlighter by Becca. I'm taking an eye palette, two like this small eye palette and this other small palette with like few colors that I would probably use. It's warm tones. This is my favorite mascara since it's waterproof, but it's like really easy to remove with warm water, and it will stay whole day without smudging at the beach or at the pool. And just this Makeup Forever, it has highlighter and 2 blushes. lip products and brushes in this bag, like all the brushes. I'm not taking that many brushes. I will just take my beauty blender as well, some lip glosses, and probably I'll pack a couple of lipsticks as well. This is all done. Hair stuff, I will take this scrunchie, it's my favorite scrunchie, and few I'm taking this gold hoops, 2 pairs of gold hoops. I'm taking some gold chokers. I'm taking stuff that I can actually wear at the beach without like tarnishing or damaging. So packing everything in small Ziploc bags, just so the necklaces don't get tangled. I will take this, few like a couple of bracelets, and another choker. This is something, packing some silver things just in case. And then this is an anklet in this like nice emerald color. And all the makeup will go in this giant duffel bag, which is lined and will be protected. Here goes all the brushes, the hair clips, and the jewelry. And I still have plenty of room in here. And I'm also bringing my iPad, my agenda. I'm taking this Joby tripod for selfies. I'm taking my iPod and my headphones to listen music on the beach. I'm taking this remote for like taking pictures, and this is a brush, hair brush. That will probably all be in my purse. Taking sunglasses. These are my Ray-Bans, just like basic sunglasses. I don't know, I just have to pick my outfit for tomorrow. We'll travel with a car, so I'll just wear something comfortable.